Yes. So now we want to see what is the significance of relation between E and delta. Okay, can anyone recall what is relation between E and delta? E fx is f of x plus h, right? What is delta fx?
Of x plus h minus of x.
So it is nothing but E fx minus fx, right? So it is E minus 1 fx. Delta fx. Applying delta on fx gives you the same impact when you apply E minus 1 on fx. So relation between delta and E is this, right? Or you can say E is equal to 1 plus delta. Both are same. I'm just trying my stylus. Somewhere it is printing bold and somewhere it is not. Okay. Yeah, so now let us see how we can make use of this relation. And of course, we have seen that this relation goes on. Means when you take further indices, powers of delta and E, that is also true. That means delta raised to n is equivalent to E minus 1 to the power n, right? ये भी हमने देखा था क्या? Do you recall all these things? Girls, there is no response from your side.
Understand.
So delta raised to n is equivalent to E minus 1. So we are going to see a problem where we can use this relation. So sometimes it happens that you are given a data which includes x and y. Okay, and some figure is missing. So you have to find out that missing figure. Okay, so how you can do? So for example, if I have x and y values given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y values as 1, 3, 9. Now this is question mark and this is 81. So I want to estimate this value. Okay. So how I can estimate this value? If right now I'm taking very simple example, what is the relation? Can you tell me? क्या रिलेशन है x और y में? क्या दिख रहा है आपको? When it is 0, it is 1. When it is x is 1, it is 3. When x is 2, it is 9. When x is 4, it is 81. So can you guess the relation?
X cube y is equal to x cube.
Y is equal to x cube, correct. So 1 cube is 1, 0 cube is 0 1 है ना वो? 0 1 है ना?
Ma'am, it is y equals to e to the power n.
X to the power n है ये. Okay, because the first term is 1, so it is not x cube. 4 है तब 81 है ना, तो 4 का क्यूब कितना आता है? 4 का क्यूब 64 है. ओके, सो इट इज x to the power n है यहाँ पे. So when n is 0, it is 1. When n is 1, it is, when x is 1, x to the power n,
3 raised to x. It is 3 raised to x.
3 raised to. I also got confused. What is happening? Yeah, it is not x raised to n. It is 3 raised to x because there should not be no other variable than x and y. When I am expressing in terms of x, my function y, it is 3 raised to x. So when x is 0, it is 1. When x is 1, it is 3. When x is 2, it is 9. When x is 3, it should be 27, right? So all of us can guess it. But sometimes the data may not be nicely spread like this. The data may not be very straightforward like this. And you want to estimate the missing figure. It may be a very bigger polynomial which you cannot guess actually. So in that case, we will make use of relation between E and delta. And here also you have to understand how many figures you have, which differences will become constant, etc. Okay. So here you are given 4 values. Okay. How many values you are given? Y values. When you have n+1 values, तब आप delta कितना निकाल सकते हो girls? Up to which order differences you can find? Now forget about this problem. I'm asking about this. Suppose you have this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values, okay? And 1, 4, 9, 16 squares suppose. So delta कब तक मिलेगा आपको?
n तक मतलब n-1 n-1
हाँ, मतलब जब आपके पास 4 वैल्यूज है तब आपको डेल्टा कहाँ तक मिलने वाला है? 3 विल हैव डेल्टा क्यूब तक मिलेगा आपको, है ना? एंड डेल्टा रेज टू 4 ऑनवर्ड्स द डिफरेंसेस वुड बी 0, राइट? They do not exist. So here also, how many values I have been given right now in y column? कितनी values मुझे दी गई है?
4 values.
4 values मुझे दी गई है, okay? So how many differences I will have? Up to which order differences will be there?
3 order.
3 order. मतलब when 4 values are given, third order differences would be constant and fourth order differences will become 0. Correct है क्या? So here 4 values are given in y column, right? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Therefore, third order differences. Are you writing it simultaneously what I am showing or what I am writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, third order differences are constant. And what? Fourth order differences would be 0. We will make use of this particular thing. तो आपको ये हमेशा याद रखना है, when n+1 values are given to you, nth order differences are constant and n+1th order differences onwards all are 0. Finished writing? That is, we have delta cube is equal to 0, right? Delta cube, third, sorry, not delta cube. What is that? Delta raised to 4, na?
Yes.
Delta raised to 3 will be a constant. So delta raised to 4 is identically equal to 0. That is delta raised to 4, when you apply on fx, it is equal to 0. But what is delta raised to 4? What is the relation between delta and e? E minus 1, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore,
Yes.
what we can write? Delta raised to 4 fx equal to 0 implies e minus 1. e minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. So we will not prepare any difference table for such kind of problem. Okay, using this relation only we can estimate the values. So can you expand e minus 1 raised to 4? Do you remember Pascal triangle? What is Pascal triangle? To get the coefficients of this binomial expansion. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So what is this? This is x plus y to the power 0, that is 1. This is x plus y to the power 1. This is x plus y to the power 2. When you have x plus y square, it is x square plus 2xy plus y square, right? So this gives the coefficients. Pascal triangle gives you the coefficients triangle. Okay, so this is x plus y bracket raised to 4. तो हमारा x क्या है? हमारा x है e और हमारा y क्या है? -1, right? Are you getting it? हाँ.
Yes,
So what will be e minus 1 bracket raised to 4? It will be e raised to 4. See the coefficients. See these coefficients. E raised to 4. Then it is plus minus hai. Alternate plus minus signs would be there. So it will be minus 4e cube plus 6e square minus 4e plus 1. Now the last term will be plus 1. Why? Why the last term will be plus 1?
-1 raised to 4 will be +1.
ये raised to 4 है, even है. Okay. Now you split it. E raised to 4 fx minus 4 times e cube fx. हमने ये e की भी प्रॉपर्टीज लिखी है. प्लस 6 टाइम्स e स्क्वायर fx minus 4e fx plus fx is equal to 0. This is the important question, equation. Now what you should put in place of x? आपकी x की वैल्यूज कहां से शुरू हो रही है? आपकी x की वैल्यूज कहां से शुरू हो रही है? डेटा कहां से दिया है आपको? 0. x की वैल्यूज कहां से शुरू हो रही है? 0, 3, 4. तो आपने इस इक्वेशन में x इक्वल टू कहां से सब्स्टिट्यूट करना चाहिए? क्या मिला था हमें? e raised to 4 fx minus 4e cube fx plus 6e square fx minus 4e fx plus fx is equal to 0. So substitute the very first value of x. Okay, the first value of x. In the data. So when only one missing term is there, only one equation will be generated. Okay. So what is E4fx, girls? What is E4fx? Okay, let us go in the reverse direction. हाँ, मैं पहले ये term लिखती हूँ. fx Now see, what is fx में as it is लिखती हूँ. देखो यहाँ पे fx is 0. What is efx? What is efx?
of x plus h.
f of x plus h. ओके, और ये था प्लस ना. अभी प्लस 6 टाइम्स व्हाट इज e स्क्वायर एफ एक्स. Come on, girls.
X
Of x plus 2h.
2h plus 2h.
Right. What is e cube fx?
F of x plus
3h.
And e raised to 4 fx will be f of x plus 4h, right?
Plus 4h.
What is h in this data? यहाँ पे h क्या है? What is the value of h in this data? यहाँ पे h की वैल्यू क्या है?
1.
1. h is 1, right? Because x values क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 से वो increase हो रही है. So h value is 1. Okay? Here h is equal to 1. Therefore, f of x plus 4 minus 4 f of x plus 3. Right now, I have not substituted x equal to 0 yet. I will substitute that. X plus 2 minus 4 f of x plus 1 plus f of x is equal to 0. And now you substitute x equal to 0 here. Okay? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 times, not 4 times, sorry. Substitute x equal to 4, तो आपको क्या मिला? f4 है ना. x is equal to 0 पुट किया क्या? Minus 4 times f of 3 plus 6 times f of 2 minus 4 times f of 1 plus f of 0 is equal to 0. Are you getting this? यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन में
Yes, ma'am.
x equal to 0
Yes, ma'am.
डाला है 0. So ये आंसर आ गया मेरा. So what is f of 4 given in the table? What is f of 4 given in the table?
81.
81 minus 4 times f3 is unknown, right? So f3 you have to write as it is. Plus 6 times f2 कितना दिया है? 9. 9 दिया है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
And f0 is 1. So what you have? You have 81. Now this is how much? Plus 54. This is minus 12 plus 1. And I can shift. So minus 4 f3 is equal to 0. Right now I'm not shifting it. So how much this comes? 81 plus 1, 82. 82 plus 54 is 136. 136 minus 12 minus 4 f3 is 0. So it is 124 minus 4 f3 is 0. So 4 f3 is equal to 124. So f3 is equal to 31. So we are getting an approximate answer. The exact answer is 27, right? But using this relation E and delta, you can estimate the answer. That's why the question will always be like this. Estimate the missing term. Okay, estimate the missing term. So we don't claim that we will get an exact answer. Okay. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so now there is a homework for you. अभी हमने one term देखी है. You have to find now two missing figures. Find two missing figures from the following data. So अगर दो टर्म्स हमें निकालनी है दो अननोन से, तो कितने इक्वेशंस जनरेट करने पड़ेंगे?
2 equations.
2 equations.
यस, यहाँ पे हमने एक ही इक्वेशन किया. वो इक्वेशन जनरेट करने के लिए हमने क्या किया था? सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल टू वेरी फर्स्ट वैल्यू एंड यू गेट ऑल दिस. ओके, बट नाउ टू जनरेट द टू इक्वेशंस यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट. पहले इसमें एक इक्वेशन में आप द सेम इक्वेशन यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट फर्स्ट वैल्यू and in the same equation you will substitute the second value of x to generate two equations. Okay, so आपका data है x and y values are, this is also again a simple function I am giving you. We want to ultimately see the significance. Okay, so you can recognize the function again. Okay, so you have to find out these two missing figures. F3 and F5 आपको ढूंढना है. तो how many values are given to you? Hint देती हूँ मैं आपको. How many values are given to you?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 y values are given, right? So what you will say, Devashri? Fifth order differences are constant and sixth order differences are
0.
0. Sixth order differences are 0. That means delta raised to 6. Delta raised to 6 is 0. ये आपको यूज करना है. फिर आप इसे e-1 करो and you expand it using Pascal triangle. Then you will get one equation. In that equation you substitute the first value of x. तो जब first value of x करोगे तो उस equation में पहली 7 values आएंगी बस. फिर आप दूसरे वही इक्वेशन में आप x इक्वल टू 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, तब ये 7 वैल्यूज आएंगी 2 to 8. एंड देन यू विल हैव टू इक्वेशंस वेयर F3 and F5 both will appear as unknowns. So two equations in two unknowns will have unique solution. Is that okay?
Equation will be
ये विपासिनी, ये जो आपने इक्वेशन बनाया था, ये जो हमने इक्वेशन बनाया था ना,
हाँ मैम,
ये वाला देखो, ये वाला, हाँ, दिस इक्वेशन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, तो इस टाइप का इक्वेशन आपको मिलेगा इस तरीके का. तो इस इक्वेशन में कितनी टर्म्स आती है? 1 2 3 4 5 टर्म्स. हाँ, तो उस हमारे इक्वेशन में कितनी टर्म्स आएंगी?
terms. No, terms.
ये आएंगी. जब डेल्टा रेस टू 4 तक आप गए तब 5 टर्म्स आई ना आपकी. अभी आप डेल्टा रेस टू 6 तक जाओगे तो 7 टर्म्स आएंगी विपाशिनी. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स? 7. हाँ, तो 7 टर्म्स आएंगी, लेकिन आपके पास x की 8 वैल्यूज है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो इन फर्स्ट टाइम यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट x इक्वल टू 0, सॉरी 1. x इक्वल टू 1 पहली वैल्यू है. सो 1 to 7 तक ही जाओगे आप, 7 टर्म्स मिलेंगी और उसमें भी F3 F5 होगा. फिर दूसरी बार आप डालोगे x इज इक्वल टू 2, उसमें 2 to 8 तक वैल्यूज जाएंगी और वहां पे भी आपको F3 F5 मिलेगा, वहां पे आपको कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं करना है. ओके, F3 F5 के जगह बाकी सारा सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर लो. Get 2 equations and solve them simultaneously. Have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? देखो डेल्टा रेस टू 6 fx इक्वल टू 0 मतलब क्या है, e माइनस 1 रेस टू 6 fx इक्वल टू 0, राइट. फिर आप वो पास्कल ट्रायंगल से करो ना. ये आपका पास्कल ट्रायंगल क्या कहता है, 1 5 10 10 5 1 और 6 रेस टू 6 के लिए ये जाएगा ऐसे 15 20 अगेन 15 6 and 1. सो दीज आर द कोएफिशिएंट्स. हाँ, तो टर्म्स कितनी आएंगी आपकी, 7 टर्म्स विल बी देयर, नो.
Yes, ma'am. 7 terms.
हाँ, सो 7 टर्म्स आएंगी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 कोएफिशिएंट्स है यहाँ पे. सो 7 टर्म्स विल बी देयर. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट x इक्वल टू 1 इन whatever equation you will get, substitute x equal to 1, that will give you first equation. And then substitute x is equal to 2, that will give you second equation. Okay, so 2 equations in 2 unknowns you will have. 2 equations in 2 unknowns. So solve them simultaneously.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this finishes the first chapter of interpolation, that is third chapter. This finishes third chapter now. Now next lecture we will be doing fifth chapter. We will be doing interpolation with equal interval. Okay, so fundamental theorem of difference calculus, I am assuming that is in the next chapter with equal interpolation. Okay, so next lecture we will be doing first fundamental theorem of difference calculus. ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट होगा. देन वी विल बी डूइंग न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्मूला. न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस इंटरपोलेशन. फॉर व्हाट टाइम इज इट, टेल मी. So NFDI होगा. Then we will have NBDI, that is Newton's backward. Okay, backward difference interpolation formula. This will be your fifth chapter. Sorry, fourth chapter. I'm sorry, fourth chapter. Okay. Yeah. So let me take now attendance first of all. Yeah, be quick, please. Siddhita.
Present, ma'am.
Adima.
Present, ma'am.
Avantika.
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi Shinde. Riddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Mrunal.
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी झावरे.
Present, ma'am.
पल्लवी नळगे. पल्लवी. बिपाशिनी. काव्या.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
काव्या, इतनी बार क्यों तुम मीटिंग लीव कर रही थी?
मैम वो मेरे मोबाइल से माइक चल ही नहीं रहा था तो मैंने लैपटॉप से रीजॉइन किया फिर.
योना.
Present, ma'am.
इंग्रिड.
Present, ma'am.
मैं सलमा.
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी जगताप.
Present, ma'am.
अनुजा पाटिल.
Present, ma'am.
अनुजा पाटिल फिर से बोलो.
Present, ma'am.
जो यहाँ पे दिखाई देता है, जो बोलता है वही होता है क्या? ओके, तो वो जब तक मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता मैं प्रेजेंट ही नहीं लगाऊंगी। अक्षदा तुपे।
Present, ma'am.
संजना जाधव।
Present, ma'am.
अनुषा। अनुषा कोपाला। अदिति महाले।
Present, ma'am.
तन्वी। प्रतीक्षा बुर्गे। शेजल। साक्षी तिवटने। Sakshi Tivatne, why you were not there in the previous 2 lectures? Manisha Hargoli. Srushti.
Present, ma'am.
हो गई। प्रसिद्धि। श्रद्धा सुर्वे।
Present, ma'am.
वैभवी चव्हाण। जल्दी करो, हाँ, मीटिंग एंड होगी। भाग्यश्री। भाग्यश्री।
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
कहाँ है भाग्यश्री?
Present, ma'am.
हर्षदा।
Present, ma'am.
प्रतीक्षा ओवार। ये तो किसी लेक्चर को नहीं है प्रतीक्षा। पूजा शर्मा।